Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So in this video, I am reviewing the Elite Scalper EA. We'll go through the official website from top to bottom, look at what the developer claims about the software, review the features that are explained on the site, and then we'll analyze the historical performance that has been provided so that we can see what information is actually available. Starting at the top of the website, the first thing I notice is that the page is heavily focused on performance and automation. It highlights the number of users, recent purchases, and several headline performance figures. While these numbers certainly grab attention, it is always worth remembering that marketing claims should be supported by transparent performance data before drawing any conclusions. One important detail that is clearly confirmed throughout the website is platform compatibility. The installation guide, pricing section, and setup instructions all specify that Elite Scalper works with MT5. So this review is focused on the MT5 version. Now, as I continue scrolling, the website displays several headline statistics, including a reported win rate, monthly ROI, profit factor, and references to my FX book, verification. It also shows a live trading panel with active trades and recent activity. Since these figures are presented by the developer, they are useful as reference points, but it is still good practice to verify any live performance independently whenever possible. So moving further down, we reach the pricing section. There are multiple license options available, starting with a 1-month license and extending to a 6 months license. Okay, 6 months package. So the higher tier plans include additional benefits such as support for multiple accounts, priority support, community access, and other extras. The website also mentions a 30-day money back guarantee and instant access after purchase. Now let us look at the feature section. Rather than simply listing fetch features, the developer explains what each one is intended to achieve. All right, so the first point is automated execution. The website emphasizes that the EA removes emotional decision making by executing trades automatically. Now, from a trader's perspective, automation can help maintain consistency because when when that emotional human factor is out of the picture, the chances of fear of missing out, or basically some of those delays that comes with that human factor being involved, they become out of the picture because the trades are automated. All right, so that is actually one of the benefits of using automated systems, because every trade follows predefined rules instead of being influenced by fear or hesitation. The next section focuses on risk management. According to the website, the EA includes configurable maximum risk per trade, adaptive position sizing, and automatic shutdown during periods of extreme volatility, and a news filter. So if these functions operate as described, they are designed to help manage exposure during changing market conditions rather than simply focusing on generating entries. So the website also highlights transparency by providing performance analytics, pair by pair breakdowns, and references to my FX book verification. Having access to performance data can be valuable because it allows traders to evaluate more than just profits and instead consider consistency, drawdowns, and overall trading behavior. Further down, the developer states that the EA supports 28 currency pairs and is designed to operate across multiple trading sessions. Okay. The website also mentions compatibility with ACN brokers, standard brokers, and prop firm settings. Another feature discussed is market adaptation. According to the website, the EA uses volatility adaptive take profit levels, dynamic spread filtering, market regime detection, and self-optimizing parameters. These are presented as ways for the system to adjust as market conditions change, although the website doesn't explain the underlying logic in detail, so there is only so much we can verify from the available information. The final feature section focuses on customer support, including live chat, setup guides, webinars, and a private community. Good documentation and responsive support can make a difference, particularly for traders who are new to automated systems. Now, let's just move into the historical performance section. The website provides a yearly performance summary along with an equity curve and trading statistics. Looking at the equity curve first, one thing I notice is that the balance generally trends upward throughout the year rather than showing long periods of decline. There are occasional periods where growth slows, but overall the curve appears relatively steady, instead of extremely volatile. Now, the historical statistics also provide additional context. The account started with a $1,000 balance, and finished with approximately $44,415, representing a reported gain of over 4,300% during the displayed period. The reported maximum drawdown is 24.65%. The profit factor is 2.29, and there are 4,938 historical trades shown. Now, from an analytical standpoint, a larger sample of trades generally provides more information than only reviewing a handful of positions, because it gives a broader view of historical consistency. The average trade duration is listed at around 2 hours and 47 minutes, suggesting the positions shown weren't being held for extended periods. Based on the available statistics, both long and short trades appear throughout the history, which indicates that the EA wasn't limited to only one market direction. When looking at metrics like the profit factor and drawdown, it is important to understand why they matter. Profit factor helps show how much gross profit was generated relative to gross losses, while drawdown provides insight into the level of historical account decline experienced during the testing period. So these metrics often provide a more balanced perspective than simply looking at total profits alone. That said, these are still historical performance figures presented on the website. Historical results should never be interpreted as a guarantee of future performance. Actual results can vary depending on broker execution, spreads, slippage, market conditions, account configuration, risk settings, and how the EA is optimized by each individual trader. Overall, based on the information available on the website, Elite Scalper provides a detailed overview of its features, licensing options, and historical performance. The site offers considerably more performance information than many automated trading products, which gives traders more data to evaluate. At the same time, it is still important to independently verify performance wherever possible and avoid relying solely on marketing material when accessing any expert advisor. As with any automated trading system, no EA is suitable for every trader or every market environment. So if you are interested in Elite Scalper, I would recommend taking the time to perform your own testing, optimization, and forward testing on a demo account before considering any live deployment. That will give you a much clearer understanding of how it behaves under your own trading conditions. So if you found any value in this video, or if you learned something new, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.